Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to do the AC reset on your Casio AE 1000W. So after you have replaced the watch battery, as you can see right here on this sticker, after battery replacement, contact AC with minus using tweezers. So I'm going to use a metallic pair of tweezers. You'll be able to find this inside the basic watchmaker toolkit that I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, as well as to the full guide on how to do this battery replacement from start to finish. So in our case, we have the AC written right here. So we have AC and a small arrow that shows me that right here I need to insert my one tip of the pair of tweezers, and I can contact the other one with one of these buttons. So with this metallic plate right here, I'm going to hold it for around 3 to 5 seconds, and then when I'm going to flip the watch around, it should always reset from 12 o'clock, so it should start from 12. That is going to be a good indication that you have made the AC correctly. Once again guys, in case you want to watch the full guide from start to finish on how to replace the watch battery, so how to remove the back, how to grease the watch gasket, how to replace the watch battery type, and how to reassemble the watch back together, I'm going to leave a full guide on how to do that, link in the description box below, as well as the tools that you are going to need for this. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot, and also make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.